Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix GameInput.dll missing error in Fortnite. So if you are also going through this kind of error, just follow the methods discussed in this video. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, check if the error is fixed. If not, next is to update your graphics cards. So make sure your graphics cards are updated. For that, go to Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search and update your graphics drivers. Once done, try to check if the issue is fixed. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Now the next method is to verify game file. So for that, go to Epic Games. Now under library section, here you have to select your game, and after that, here you can see verify option. Simply click on it and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to change launch option. So for that, go to Epic Games. Now here you have to click on the three dot icon after selecting the game under library section. Now click on manage, and here under launch options, here you have to type -dx11 and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then check if the error is resolved. If it doesn't resolve, again come back, type -d3d11 and then check if now the error you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download, and once the file is downloaded, you have to open it. Now you will get repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time unless you get a setup successful message. Now close this, and after that restart your PC once and then again check if the error is resolved or not. If not, next is to install DirectX. So for that, go through the link I have already provided in the description, copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the download option to download DirectX, and once the file is downloaded, you have to install it. Once you install it, now try to launch the game and check whether the issue you are coming across is resolved or not in Fortnite game. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates, and this will take you to the Windows update page where you can easily check if there is any update available. Click on check for updates and this will check if there is any update. And after updating your Windows to the latest version, now check if the error is fixed. If not, you are suggested to check if the game mode is enabled or not. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for game mode settings, and here check if it is enabled or not. If it is disabled, you have to enable it, and after that check whether the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to close background apps. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You just have to close all those. Just select it, right click on it, click on end task, and then launch the game and check if the issue is fixed. If not, you are suggested to delete the temp files. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type %temp%, press OK, and whatever temp files you are seeing, simply select all of them and delete them. After deleting, now check if the game error is resolved or not. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for graphics settings. After that, you have to add the game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the Fortnite game, and after selecting the Fortnite game, here you have to click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if the issue you are coming across is resolved or not. If the issue continues, then the final solution is to reinstall Fortnite. So for that, go to Epic Games, click on the three dot icon, and here you can see uninstall option. Simply uninstall it. Once done, again restart your PC and then launch Epic Games and install Fortnite once again, and after that check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.